Friends, have a nice day. All dignitaries, participants, stakeholders, conveners, and all faculties who are actively engaged in this faculty development program from a week, and convener and organizers from a previous month. Saraswati Arts College, Daihanda, Tehsil Daryapur District, Amravati, has organized a 1 week faculty development program on e-content, and this college is a small and in a rural periphery, but I am proud to express here that this college younger team, professor team has organized a state level faculty development program, and they invite me on valedictory function of this faculty development program. So first of all, I give my special thanks to the principal of this college and our friend Dr. Dnyaneshwar Yavle and his all enthusiastic team, faculties who have deeply took effort for the successness of this FDP. Friends, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, the world has totally changed. We have saw that there have occurred drastic changes on global scenario. Our health system, our social system, our educational system, and all environmental or such type of systems are much and more affected due to this pandemic. As a concern of higher education, if we see our higher education system have also struck down. From 3 to 4 months, our colleges and universities are locked down. So, we want to think about our traditional teaching methods. We want to think our face-to-face teaching and learning system. Nowadays, in a corona era, we are all higher education stakeholders are rethinking, reimagining to restructure this system. And I assure you here that e-teaching, such type of e-learning is the probable solution in this lockdown period. On government level also, Human Research Development Department Ministry have developed many courses on web portal like Swayam and MOOC also. AICT, NIOS, NPTEL, such type of institutions have developed many e-courses. I hereby request you to see it and aware to our students to participate, register to these courses. Faculty shall register also to the courses like RP. This faculty development program is a extension of this such type of courses. You all faculty shall have developed e-content in teaching. For developing this e-content and to ease it on online platforms, you should try. Many online platforms are available and you have discussed in this FDP during this week. We should use it and shall give their benefits to our students who came from tribal belt, rural areas. I know it is difficult. It is difficult to reach tribal students, to reach rural students, but not impossible. To solve these issues, the role of teaching faculties is most important. Our teachers, researchers, experts are more potent and competent because they are not only professionals but practitioners. They will find way out. They will find out new innovative ideas. They will use new teaching learning techniques and methods which we have learned here, which we have situate here, such type of techniques, and we'll solve such type of problems or such type of issues we are priorities of our country. I hope teacher can pull the students from this dark period and will put them in digital area. My best wishes are always with you. Thanks once again, all of you, with your bright future. Thanks.